Hello guys, today I will show you how to fix this problem that you have on ShayApp. So to fix this, just follow and watch this video till the end. So first go open the settings of your device or your mobile phone. Go next, click Add Apps option, and here you have to search for ShayApp and click. Scroll this list down, click Storage, click Clear Cache and Back. Click for Stop, click OK, and go to Play Store or App Store, update ShayApp, and here you have to restart your mobile phone. And that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.